Hi, it's the Motorcycle Fettlers here. We're at Cameraman HQ today, change of venue, and we're going to do a walk around and a quick ride out on this Zephyr ZR750C1 1991, I think. Stood in a garage for some time. We've cleaned the carbs, we're absolutely filthy. We did a little video on that. They've been ultrasonically cleaned a couple of times. We changed the fuel tap because that was very troublesome. We changed the kit on it. We got a repair kit, sorry, for it. That didn't seem to work. It was still leaking, so we got a new one. The fuel gauge wasn't working. We fixed the sender unit. The brake calipers, both fronts, were seized, so we rebuilt the calipers in there. We've changed the oil and filter, give it an air filter, new plugs, give it a thorough going over. Got it MOT, it runs like a dream. As you can see, as the cameraman's going to walk around it now, it is in stunning condition, really, for the age of it. And it's only done 8,400 miles. I think there is a little video already on our site of it, but I don't think it was running properly then. But it runs like a dream. Up, I'll get my lid on, and then we'll take it for a spin. Listen to that. Even the exhaust are the original as well. Well, let me get my gear on. Zephyr 750 feels quite a heavy old tool, and the riding position for my legs is not too good because the ankles are behind, well, level with my bum, I suppose. They're behind. I find it very hard. That's because I've got dodgy knees. But this bike is really smooth, really smooth. I'm in shock now. It's 30 miles an hour. And it's just instant power, so you know it's got more than enough power. Go round this roundabout. Bad riding position actually, slightly stooped over, it's quite relaxing on the neck. '91, it's 32 years old now as well, but only 8,000. Just over 8,000 miles on the clock. It's not been used a lot at all. Feels as solid and smooth. It's quite smooth, even over the bumpy roads actually. see that light come on there, 30 mph light. I'm so used to riding my Meteor 350 that this feels really buzzy, even at 2000 revs at 30 mph. I have had 4-cylinder motorcycles before, but it's just because I got used to that 350 single. Nice bike. The roads around here are terrible wherever you go. Was only a short ride out video, but gives you a taste of it. So I hope you enjoyed that little video, just a little short ride round, show you, I'll give you a taste of it. It's really quite a pokey little bike actually. Obviously I didn't go very fast because the roads around here are all restricted and very bad, but it handles well, it goes well. Hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching.